Welcome back to Speedhaus. My name is Gage, and today we have a new car that James found on the marketplace. It's a 2014 BMW X1 35i. Okay, so if you don't know, the X1s were basically made off the E9X platform. It has N55 and it's 6-speed, which most N55s had 8 speeds, except unless they were built on the E9X platform, which this was. We bought it for a whopping $1,800. It runs and drives, right? Supposedly.
Drives-ish.
Drives-ish. Supposedly has a trans issue. They just unloaded it off the tow truck. Nobody has heard it fire up yet. So I guess we need to see if it runs. Sight unseen, nobody went and looked at this car.
Yeah, literally the laziest way you could buy anything from marketplace.
You want to pop the hood? How's it look? Is there a motor in the car?
Predator 212.
Motor.
It's
Pretty clean.
What year was it again? Did we confirm?
It still
14?
has the plastic.
14. Confirmed it?
Yeah.
Solid.
Fire it up, Gage.
Oh. Here we go.
Gage's new daily. This is Gage's new daily.
He bought it.
It's his third daily.
Oh, that I was like, wait a minute.
Hit the chip!
Sounds healthy.
Why you be breaking shit? What are you doing?
There's too much going on.
Inside's pretty clean though.
Clean car. It's currently runs. It does have a service engine light on. The idle's good.
You gonna try and drive it in the shop?
I thought we should drive down the street.
Take it for a drive?
See if it does anything.
Yeah. All right, let's do it.
Nice. That's
Hell yeah. I got low tire, no gas, check engine light, TPMS sensors, fuck yeah.
The interior's nice.
Does the radio play?
oh.
Does the radio play?
Oh,
We have a heated steering wheel?
Yes, it's over here.
brothers.
Something is not right
Okay.
with the sunshade.
Yep.
Smooth it where we need it.
Can I drive it?
Yeah, we're going down the street.
Oh god.
Put your seatbelt on.
I'll be back. You
first.
hear sirens who didn't make it back.
Remember the transmission is fucky.
Cool.
Just needs fluid. It just needs fluid.
Where in the world?
Pop a wheelie.
If you don't come back, I know what happened.
Go burn out.
All the cavalry if we're not back in 10 minutes. First, second word.
Yeah.
Something don't feel right there.
That felt a little strange.
Transfer kit is going on.
Make it rear-wheel drive.
Shift's kind of hard.
She's shifting though, she's driving.
All about it.
Oh yeah.
Something ain't right.
That was to the floor?
This is for
Okay, so
put it in sport. It almost felt like it wasn't making any power. Oh, trans function.
it is something with the trans.
Something with
Yep.
trans.
Got it.
I gave her the beans and she said no.
We're gonna take this back to the shop, pull it in, see what we can't figure out. Definitely got a trans problem.
What was it doing?
Slipping.
Huh?
Crazy. Slipping like
On a
crazy.
gear or on all gears?
Well, we tried to punch it in second, and now it's stuck in third.
Something's dripping. Maybe water.
Well, just throw it on. You want to put on a lift?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, it's slipping for sure.
Oh, that's water, bro.
Look at all the smoke. Piston oil?
Look at the
Sorry.
I don't think it's got any coolant in it. How hard did y'all drive it?
No, very hard.
Not that hard.
Oh, you went and drove it. That's what it was.
Yeah, we
I was like, why? There's no way.
Okay, it happens.
This is why we can have nice things.
A mess everywhere. Still Gage's fault though.
Hell with it, let's drop the engine and build it.
Now that we have this thing in the shop, our goal is to fix this car in 24 hours. We're gonna go through, figure out everything we need, starting off with reading it off the scanner. What do we got, Chief?
You know I don't know.
It's uploading. We know for sure a bunch of hail damage. We know from our test drive, obviously something is leaking coolant, something. The real bad part outside of the hail damage is this fender. She's pretty cooked. Headlights need to be buffed. Outside of the trans though, and all the smoke, she ran pretty good. Okay, we got some green.
13 DME codes.
Ooh, that is not.
Electric coolant pump. That's probably why she's squirting coolant. Okay, this is all on the BST fault.
What we got?
A lot of things. Clutch B, clutch D, clutch A. Trans probably shot.
Go hit Blake up now. No super knock codes, nothing crazy, right? Water pump failure code on there?
Yeah, water pump, something on the BSD shot.
Plug coils, water pump thermostat.
Air mass absent. Valvetronic servo motor open. I think there's a bunch of low voltage. 12.3 right now.
No, it's like a 35 group size. It's like,
Yeah, I'm gonna say trans shot. This is how you fix a car, guys.
Ready to be sold.
Look, 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 look. All of them are passing. That is crazy.
That's actually pretty impressive.
We are ready to go. Solid cheese mint. This is a mint condition car. Be on Cars and Bids next week for 25K. Oil condition sensor. So BSD, if one of these fail, you can have another one come up. I'm gonna bet the pump is dead. I'm gonna assume that the oil condition sensor is probably still good.
all right.
Okay, so for the visual learners out there, we brought the car in, we've scanned the car. I had clutch fault, trans is toast. Even if it's low on fluid, it was low on fluid for too long, trans is gone now. Has BSD faults for the water pump and the oil level sensor, so it needs a water pump. Water pump.
We're gonna do it in most importance.
We'll get there after the second.
Okay.
Okay, water pump, probably should put it in the thermostat. My handwriting's not great. Thermo, okay? Oh, trans, that's probably number one. Number one, transmission. I don't know if that's spelled right or not. Close enough. What's number three?
Battery.
Battery. Number four.
This guy.
Are we sure we need to fix that? No, we're not fixing that. You think it needs all the gaskets?
All the gaskets. Ooh. I mean, is it leaking?
I'm sure it's leaking. Let me look here. Probably. I'm gonna go with we probably ought to. You notice I'm riding out of slant?
A little bit.
It's because I crossed my eyes too much as a kid. That affected me. What else?
What else is wrong, doctor?
This is a horse we'd be putting it down right now. For now, we should try this, and then
So top 4 main problems right now.
transmission, in this order, transmission, a water pump, a thermostat, a battery, all the gaskets. And I bet she'll drive good after that. And then we'll chase down the little stuff. And this also has to all be done in 24 hours. So James is gonna have to source the transmission by tomorrow morning, somehow.
Good luck.
Yep. We have our board.
What is it? God.
In order,
Written like that.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Someone in distress when they wrote that?
I think Gage was standing on his head.
Yes.
What's the first one say? Transition? So what? We're gonna make.
We weren't sure if that's
to an Audi.
spelled right or not, but it doesn't seem right.
Wait a minute. All the gaskets? We doing an oil pan on this bitch?
Oh, probably. I haven't even looked, but I'm just assuming that it probably needs one, so.
I can tell you for sure it's puking on the cat.
Well, that's valve cover.
Yeah, they're typical.
We got 2 valve covers here.
Oil filter housing does it.
Well, we don't need to drop a subframe on this unless we have to.
What's transmission question mark? What are we doing there? Fluid?
Oh no, it needs one.
Has it got clutch faults?
Yeah.
The bad part, good part, is they're $500, and you get to put one in.
So we need a water pump, thermostat, transmission, a battery, and at least a few of the gaskets to start off. Oh, plugs. Oh, I forgot. We forgot, Trevor. Plugs and coil. To make it look pretty, PDR. For those of you who don't know, that is paintless dent repair. So as the audience knows, James has 24 hours to acquire all this. It needs to be here by tomorrow morning. Top job done. Alright, so we have the X1 in the shop. We just got all the parts in. We have a transmission, we have coolant, we have water pump, thermostat, we have a fender. Because I don't think PDR is going to fix this one. So we have a paint matched fender. This came off of a car. It's ready to go. Got it off eBay. We got a transmission, it's over there. So we're gonna do the transmission first. It's probably the hardest thing on this car and most time consuming. So I'm gonna get the car up in there and start pulling the trans out.
Surprise.
So we're underneath the car here. The car's been sitting since Friday. Today's Monday morning, right? That wasn't there Friday. That is a lot of dang oil, Trevor. Everywhere. Oh my gosh. Well, she might need a little more than a transmission, put it that way. Look how much oil, how much wet oil is right there at the front.
Well, knowing what this car is, I would assume, yeah, it's 8 belt, and no one replaced it. How's it going?
I'm getting there. Trying not to break my hand.
She looks like she's about ready to drop out.
She's close.
Well, trans is out.
Hands out. Probably ought to put a ratchet strap on there.
Well, sick. All we gotta do is put the new one in.
Nice. So we ordered a trans on eBay. The first trans got here came out of a transverse car. Like, I'm not even sure it came out of a BMW. And we're like, oh, that trans is not right. So we shipped that one back. Oh, our mistake. They sent us the right trans. Right trans, which is this trans right here. Looks more or less exactly identical to what we pulled out. I checked the stamp on the side of the trans, which says 6 HP 21, and I just was like, I'll just double check. This says 8 HP 45 somewhere over here, which is not what we needed. We needed a 6-speed. We're not doing 8-speed swap on this X1. So we didn't realize that until after the trans was out of the car. My mistake, should check. So we were able to get a local trans from somebody else that has the right stamp, 6 HP 21. So now we have a trans, we have a transfer case on. Now it's time to go back in the car. Gears are not.
All right, ready to see if it goes in gear.
There's in the gear. Doesn't lock us out.
It's a good sign.
Yep. This will fill up fluid. Start it up.
All right, trans has some fluid in it. We're gonna start the car up, run through some gears, get it warm, so we can top it off, and hopefully we'll be done with the trans. We can start moving on to the thermostat, water pump, and valve cover, and then replace that fender.
Like that little bracelet thing. Did drive Rachel's next one today.
This woman named her Beta.
Not 5. 4 nice.
Bobby will mow your lawn and never stop.
Bobby. It's miserable.
Thermostat's out.
It's a miserable task. If you can have an X1, water pump goes out, just set the car on fire. You know. Let it come out. Oh my gosh. 10 out of 10, one of the worst pumps and thermostats on an N54 N55X platform. By far. And this is also the nastiest hole I think I've been in.
Freaking nasty.
I've been in some nasty holes over the years.
Really?
Yeah. One time in the Target parking lot.
That's fair.
Fuck you.
That's big enough. We know how you OGs rocking already, man.
So we got the trans in, got the water pump in, thermostat in, even replaced the air filter, and we got a manual.
That would have been a cool color. see how many we have. We're up to 11, 12, 13 codes. That's not bad. Look at that.
No more codes.
No more codes. Display, reset adaptation values. That one seemed right.
He's just the angle was messed up. It was pulling up.
Started.
It's alive. All right, we're gonna pull this thing out and take it for a drive.
Well, my cat's on fire. Let's try it.
Gas.
Just learning.
Yeah, she's driving.
I did this last time, remember?
Mm-hmm.
So we punched it.
Cooked. Who would have thought the water pump would have been worse than the trans?
By far. By far. Like I said, I feel like I've been through that one. I don't look it, but I feel it. So far, it's transmission. Yeah,
She's cruising.
she's been going through gears. They feel a little rough, but I just reset it adaptation, so it should take a little bit to relearn how to set the clutches. It's been 24 hours. We did all this 24 hours.
Yeah, but this is all the same day.
Really? I didn't know that. It's great. It's let's see what day it is. We started filming this May 21st of 2026. It is now May 22nd of 2027.
Sport mode?
Yeah. Give her a little gas. I don't know if she's gonna shift or not. There it went.
It was almost 4K.
She's learning. Make sure we got brakes here.
She shifted hard.
She shifted.
I mean,
Solid. I say it works.
yeah, me too.
I'd say it all works.
Okay.
She's not the fastest thing in the world. Do a launch.
See what she does.
Oh, cool. Well, see, I knew.
Oh.
It's okay.
Oh. What do we do now? I mean, that was the main part, but
We got to do the valve cover. Whatever else is leaking oil.
Bro, what's that sound?
That's just normal.
I mean, we don't have a light.
Look at the smoke. I know. Rolling out of here. That's how bad the valve cover is. Just pissing oil onto the cat.